Hello people, so this is I think my 15th video of the day, and I have to say this people that this whole thing of doing video recordings and all, like I said, I'm half Sindhi, little Mallu, so my mom was a Sindhi, and honestly people, Sindhis have this certain entrepreneurial spirit, like no matter what. I lost my mom 5 years ago, but that's what I keep telling my dad, that if mummy was alive today, she would have totally jumped onto this, like she would have been like, YouTube, you can make a career out of it, let's do something. And she would have been keen to feature in some of my videos, and in fact probably start a channel of her own, because she had that spirit, really. So I think it's a Sindhi spirit, that just dive right in and keep swimming till you reach the shore, kind of thing. So I think for all the videos I made, I really, it's a salute to this spirit, Sindhi spirit of entrepreneurs, and that's what makes them one of the most well-known business communities in the country. So I'm so proud to be half a Sindhi at least. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.